John is a gentleman who's in his late 80s. He's a World War II veteran. He is somebody who spent his life in sales, and he retired and entered into essentially the golden years of his life. He's an avid golfer. You see this gentleman, and all he wants to do is, he worked his entire life, supported his family, wants to play golf, wants to help his grandchildren play golf, really wants the whole world to play golf. John suffered an Achilles tendon rupture after taking a medication, and came to us to see whether or not his rupture was related to the medication he was taking. We reviewed his case. There are antibiotics out there that are known to cause Achilles tendon ruptures, and we were able to review his case and advised him that we believe that his injury was related to the usage of the medication. In order to make this decision, we take a look at the medical records, we take a look at his past medical history, and we take a look at what he was doing when the injury occurred. With respect to the injuries, I'm also a paramedic. I'm able to look at the injuries from the perspective of what may have caused the injury and whether or not there was something outside of a medication, or if there was some type of an event. I look at them from a personal level as if they're people I'm trying to look at and diagnose, as I did for many years as a paramedic. That helps me to get through their cases and make a determination whether this is a case that should be filed or if there's something else involved in the case that may have caused their case. And some of the toughest calls that we have to make are when we tell people, we can't help you because, your injury is not related to the medication that you are taking or the product that you are using. And we spend just as much time explaining to people why their case isn't a case as those people whose cases that we go on with. It can be frustrating for them because they're looking for answers. But when it comes to the types of cases that we bring forward, we make sure that we're in a position where we think we can move a case forward rather than just file a case for no particular reason. If you have any questions, pick up the phone and call. I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you very much for watching.